Hey folks, welcome back. My name is Krishna, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at the little nibs that come with your tablet monitor, specifically for the Wacom tablet monitors. And I have a Cintiq 27QHD behind me, and it comes with a little pen holder. If you twist that pen holder out, you'll see a set of nibs. And within that, you'll see something called a nib puller. This nib puller is a little metal device, and you can use it to go ahead and extract a nib from the end of your stylus. So what do these various nibs do? Let's take a look. This is your standard plastic nib. It comes with your tablet pen more than likely, and it's a general purpose nib that works pretty well. Now over time, these nibs do wear out. Typically, I'll go about 9 months to a year before I have to swap out a worn nib with a new nib. And these nibs do sharpen up. So if I go ahead and show you another example here, you can see that one of the nibs has a little bit more of an angle, and that's when you know it's time to replace it because the stylus is not able to make full contact with the tablet. You'll get some weird glitching or other erroneous marks when you try to use a nib that's worn. So this is an all-purpose nib. The black nib is your standard nib. Then you've got two other nibs, and I'm going to pull them up together. One is a black nib, but it has a white end on it. And the other one is what we call a hard felt nib. And the hard felt nib and the black nib with a white tip both offer increased friction when you're drawing on the surface of the tablet. So it kind of mimics what it might be like when you're drawing with a pencil on a sheet of paper. So these two types of nibs give a little bit more tooth or give the appearance of more tooth or resistance when you're drawing on the tablet, more friction. So that's something that you may want to consider using as well. I've used both. They both perform as advertised. I don't really use them as much. My favorite nib is the stroke nib. And the stroke nib is unique because it has a small spring. And this spring, when you're pressing down on your stylus, the nib will go in and out. So it will kind of help you control your pressure sensitivity a little bit more. So I really like this particular nib. This is known as the stroke nib. And it's my favorite. It's got a plastic end, but I like the fact that it's a little bit more sensitive to the amount of pressure that I place on the tablet with this nib because of the spring. So that might be something to go ahead and investigate if you're feeling a little bit frustrated with the line quality that you're getting out of your tablet pen. Now, various makes like Huion and Wacom and a bunch of other tablet manufacturers will have their own specific type of nibs. These nibs that I'm showing you here are just a result of what Wacom includes within the box. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.